Hey guys, I just want to tell you about my fish collection. They're awesome. Super awesome. Super, super, super awesome. Let me show you my fish. Let me show you. Wow. These are my fish. Oh my god, that one's awesome. That's a shark. Oh, sharks. I love sharks. Oh, angelfish. Angelfish right there. Oh, there he is. My god. I wish I had his powers. This is mine. This one's a retard. Retard. Look at him. He's so retarded. Come on, fish. Come on. Oh, look at that. That was awesome. That's the catfish. That's the catfish right there. He kind of like eats shit out of the tank. Eats shit out of the tank. Yeah, he's a tank cleaner. Super, super awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's an eel. Eels are awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at him, it's so long. His mouth opens like 45 degrees. It's amazing. So cool. Look at the skull here as well. Look at the skull. Oh my god, that's so Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh my god. That's so awesome. Look at the bubbles in the back. Oh, bubbles. 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 You got a bubble river here as well. Bubble river. Oh. Oh. Oh, awesome. Oh, awesome. Oh my god. So that's my fish tank. Oh, oh my god. Look at him. This guy's awesome. Oh my god. He's imposed. He's changing color. He's gonna attack me. Oh my god. Oh.